Chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Have fun at the factory, everybody!
Let's carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey flavor.
हीट तो रोस्ट हो रहा है ना, लाइट लगा के तो दिख रहा है।
Blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and beat them into a regular paper, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside the shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the sweet, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweet chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the all the chocolate all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb.
Simplicity of Hershey's authenticity go hand in hand as smooth as silk.
We dry the chocolate product to a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter and fresh down and a dash of vanilla. Until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Use our friend cubes to explain the next step of the process.
Hi everybody! These concha machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb into a beautiful pool.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send them away.
अरे ये रियल का पैक हो रहा है देखो इधर से आ रहा है इधर पन्नी लग के जा रहा है
All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dog box.
वो वाला जो पैकेट आते हैं
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
ये पूरा पैक हो गया देखिए बाहर जाता है ये रियल में जो है ये मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you.
Bye.
Great.
Hi, folks. Tell everyone to look right here for a picture. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Everybody say Hershey's.